The crescent moon has been sighted and Eid is being celebrated today after the fasting month of Ramzan comes to a close. It is now time for prayers, gratitude and feasts. My colleagues have sent special reports from morning Eid prayers and festivities from across the country. Take a look.
Right now we're at the iconic streets of Jama Masjid where people have just now offered the namaz of Eid ul Fitr. We will quickly show you some visuals also from the streets, beautifully decorated and in fact managed for people so that they could offer their namaz. The namaz started at 6:45 early in the morning and right now we are seeing people who have just finished offering the prayers. This prayers is done so that people can thank the God that they had in fact given the strength for them to observe a 1 month long fast. Now this marks the close of the Ramzan where people were in fact observing fast for 1 long month, and right now we're also showing you visuals, people from different places coming here to celebrate the festival. क्या नाम है आपका?
हारिस।
कैसा गया आपका पूरा रमजान का महीना?
शुक्र है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, बहुत अच्छा गया।
तो आप नमाज जो है वो पढ़ ली गई है, आप आगे क्या किस तरीके से मनाने वाले हैं आप लोग ईद?
बस आगे अपने रिश्तेदार आएंगे, अपने जो मिलने वाले आएंगे उनके साथ ईद सेलिब्रेट करेंगे बस।
These are the kind of visuals that we are showing you from the iconic Jama Masjid where thousands of people have gathered to offer their namaz, not just from Delhi but from across different states. People have reached here so that they can offer the prayers. We are showing you the visuals, the swell of crowd in fact that can be seen here. People who have just yet finished giving their namaz, they will be going to their home and celebrating this with their relatives. We are seeing people meeting and greeting each other. This is the Jama Masjid where every year around people come to celebrate the Eid ul Fitr festival. The kind of police deployment that can be seen here will also show you the police deployment, the Delhi police personnel, the CRPF, the RAF, police personnel. Everyone are present here so that this whole festival can be managed in a proper way. We are seeing people who have just now finished offering namaz. We'll also try to talk to a few of them. क्या नाम है आपका?
मोहम्मद नसीम।
आपने नमाज अदा कर ली?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
कैसा गया रमजान का महीना?
बहुत अच्छा गया मैम।
अब किस तरीके से ईद मनाएंगे आप?
जैसे बनके होता नॉर्मली। हाँ, बच्चों जी यस।
We're also showing you the visuals of people here who are offering flowers to the Delhi police because of the way they have managed the Eid festival here to every of the police personnel. Now this is a token of thanks from the people of this community who are in fact thanking the Delhi police for the phenomenal management that has been done here at the Jama Masjid this year around. Every person who have come here to celebrate the Eid ul Fitr festival.
Well, Eid Mubarak to all our viewers and Eid Mubarak to you. And here I'm in Srinagar and Eid Namaz is just starting here in this mosque. While at Hazrat Bal it would be at around 10:30 this morning. Eid is a day which marks the end of fasting month of Ramadan. It's a day of thanksgiving. It's a day of sharing. It's a day of reflection. What you have done in 1 month. When you observed dawn to dusk fasting. When you were forgiving anybody who may have done it wrong to you. It is a month when you have given charity. It is a month when you have reached out to the poor. And today that marks day. You just see what you have done whole month to see what best it brings out the best of you, what you can do to your fellow human being, to your neighbors. It is a day when you meet people who you may not have met for a while, and then you can see all this Eid Namaz is a thanksgiving. It's a namaz when you meet together, hug each other and tell people, look, it is not just one day, it's culmination of a 1 month of fasting, 1 month of sharing, 1 month of giving charity to poor, and your fasting is not complete unless you give a special charity for the fasting of month and give it to the poor so that they also celebrate Eid without any difficulty. So all this namaz, this is why this is called a very special namaz, because of its context, because of the month-long, month-long fasting, as people have been doing it since centuries, and this actually tells you how you should behave in the rest of the year. It's not just you observe fast. There are other responsibilities which make you better human being. For example, you give up bad habits. Someone who is a smoker, from dawn to dusk for 1 month, he just give up smoking. So it encourages many people to give up smoking for whole year, so permanently. So it has so many benefits, and today's day is not just celebration. It's a huge message for everybody who has religiously observed Ramzan, and now today is the day of Thanksgiving. Today is the day of sharing. It's after long month of fasting. It's a day of feast as well.
As the world marks Eid ul-Fitr here in Kolkata, the morning prayers have just concluded. People here marking Eid in fanfare. Of course, the prayers have been offered, and now they are, going to be sending the message of brotherhood, communal harmony. Really, India stands for unity in diversity, and that is what makes the country's social fabric so strong. Yesterday, the country celebrated Ugadi, Gudi Padwa, and today the message of brotherhood through Eid. Month-long Ramzan has come to an end, marking the festivities here in Kolkata. A short while from now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also will be addressing the congregation here in Kolkata's Red Road, stone's throw away from where we are reporting outside the Tipu Sultan Mosque in Kolkata. And of course, through the day, there will be celebrations, the message of peace, communal harmony and unity in diversity through the celebrations. With GD Shankar, Sreyashi De for NDTV.
Present here in the Jama Masjid, the Sunni Jama Masjid of Bandra West, and you can see that the prayer is the process at the moment, and a lot of people have gathered here. Now this is one of the more iconic places, one of the more iconic masjids of Mumbai, where people from pretty much across the city, across the Bandra area come together to offer the community prayers. We've seen that this prayer started at around 8:15, but people started gathering here from 7:30 onwards. You can see that although this is right in front of the railway station, the railway of course is running in tandem. It is running the way it usually does, but people have still very successfully made sure that they place themselves in a very disciplined manner. At the same time, we've seen that the police security forces have also been deployed, as you can see on your screen, at different ends of this particular congregation. There is a thick presence of the police officials. There are also women cops present here. More importantly, considering that this is Bandra West, right outside the Bandra railway station, this place is usually very chaotic. There is a very traffic heavy place, but the police here, the authorities here have kept this entire region free from the rickshaws. Of course, there is a bus stop close by, but only that is functional. But the cabs, the rickshaws, all of these places, they have been they've been stripped off from any sort of a commercial business, giving more space for people to kind of move, keeping in mind that the number of people coming here for the prayer is going to be very high. The barricading has also been done, and it has been there for quite some time now, ever since people started coming in, since the early hours of the morning, and the presence of police has also been consistent since then. It is a big challenge in front of the police for multiple reasons. Firstly, we've seen that there has been a lot of controversy going about how people should people be allowed to offer namaz on streets or not. But the authorities here, of course, while addressing the people who were offering namaz, did thank Bandra police and the local authorities in creating this safe space for them so that they can celebrate their festival in a very positive way. At the same time, we've also noted that there have been certain messages that have been floating on social media, some sort of threats which usually take place or which are usually there whenever there is a festive season approaching, but that has given a reason for the police to kind of beef up their security, to deploy more police personnel across the city, and especially in places like these which see large number of people coming together to offer prayers. With camera person Sachin Sawan, this is Anuj Rai reporting for NDTV from Mumbai.